Now these delicious, richly colored heirloom carrots are gonna be my main course tonight. And I'm serving them with a no-meat gravy that's so delicious, it'll have you licking your plate clean, my friends. Promise. A little bit of the good stuff. Now they're ready for the oven. Now I can make that super yummy sauce I was promising. Rosemary grows like crazy. If you have it, put it in a pot because it will quickly take over your garden. I'm making a demi-glace, so I might have a demi-glace myself. Little for me, little for the sauce. Balsamic vinegar, which is really just a reduction of grape juice. You know, it's gotten a little funky with some age. I'm gonna reduce it even more so you just get the rich, sweet, syrupy nature of the balsamic without the actual acidity from the vinegar. I'm gonna need a little something else to go with my dinner. Maybe something with sage. This is extra firm tofu, so it's gonna hold up very well when I fry it. Let that heat up, and then these guys are gonna get hot. You've heard of kale chips? These are sage chips. So the trick here is that now that oil is infused with the flavor of the sage, and the tofu will absorb it like a sponge. You want to give them enough time so that they are golden before you give them a flip. I think my carrots might be ready. They're gonna be so sweet and so juicy. This is where the flavor is. All of that wine and balsamic vinegar reduced with the shallots and the garlic and the rosemary. It's gonna be good. My wee little carrots. Now this is a crazy delicious veggie plate. Cooking brings me so much joy. Getting my hands dirty, getting to play with beautiful fruits and veggies, but also knowing that I'm doing something really good for myself. That's probably what makes me happiest. It's a little bit sweet, a little savory, and super satisfying because I got a nice protein-rich meal. I seriously love tofu so much. And then with the carrots and the sage and all those shallots with that kind of syrupy balsamic sauce, heaven, total heaven.